What is Pega? Pega is a tool that enables document tracking and task management in the Lease Administration Department. With Pega, you will experience greater transparency on JLL's workflow. It allows you to monitor status of submitted tasks in real time. Moreover, Pega significantly contributes to the boost of communication and operational efficiency. In practice, since a wide-scale Pega implementation in 2019, we have observed closer coordination between JLL teams and abstraction request originators, as well as the increased automation regarding document tracking and communication flow. During this training, you will have a chance to walk through Pega, a tool designed to route new documents and requests automatically for faster processing. Undoubtedly, you can rely on Pega security as it is hosted in an AWS virtual private cloud, which is utilized only by JLL. In this training, you will see how to log into Pega Portal, how to submit a case for the JLL Lease Administration team, how to navigate within the portal, how to download the document tracker report, how to access global visibility functionality, and how to take action on my cases. Logging in. This tool is available online, so it is not necessary to install any additional applications. You can access it in one click by opening Pega webpage provided to you in a separate email together with your credentials. We recommend you add the site to your favorites for future reference. Enter your email address and unique password you received in the automatic email from Pega. If you log in for the first time, you will be prompted to change the password and confirm it. If you would like to change the password in the future, go to the upper right corner and click on the icon displaying your initials. The icon displaying your initials is also used for changing password functionality and logging off. Submitting a document. Please note that during this training, we are going through a demo version, so the cases and the client name visible on the screen are used for the training purposes only, and it is not real data. When you're in Pega, click on the plus Create Case button. Select from the list the document's country, which means the country where the lease is located. Note that country is a mandatory field, so you are not able to leave it blank. Select or describe lease. You have three options to select from. Existing lease. This is if you would like to submit a request for a lease which already exists in your database. Click arrow down on your keypad or enter a few letters of the lease ID or its address, which renders as a search function. Note that if your database is the Portfolio app, you will see the read-only details extracted from the system. You are not able to edit this data. New lease. If you are submitting a new lease agreement for abstraction, please select the new lease and optionally enter the tenure name and address. Tenure name and address are not mandatory fields. Only sections with an asterisk need to be completed in order to submit a case. The country and language will auto-populate based on what you selected in document country. However, you are able to change it. NA. You would select NA, which stands for not applicable, if your request does not relate to adding new contracts or updating an existing one. For example, you would like to request a specific report for the whole region or a country. You would select NA. Select project type. Always default to BAU, which stands for business as usual. From there, select one of three possible document types: lease documentation, other request, or payment activities. Depending on your first selection, Pega will generate the second level of document type, which is called document subtype. If you have specific comments related to the request, we encourage you to include them in point 5, describe request. This is to assist the lease admin team to process the document efficiently. Documents can be uploaded by browsing them from your device or by drag and drop option. Once the document is attached via Select File button, there is no limit to the number and size of documents submitted. Therefore, no more zipping or additional share points are needed. Uploaded documents will be categorized as main document by default. If you would like to submit more documents related to the same request, please categorize them as supporting documents. Only one document can be selected as the main document. If you have different requests, for example, change lease end in one of your leases and requesting a report to be produced, please raise two separate cases in this instance. At this point, you have three options to proceed. Delete submission if you do not want to submit at all. Save if you want to submit in the future and save the current data that you have entered. And submit documents for lease administration team to proceed. A B case number will be generated at this point for your future reference. You'll notice it in the green upper part of the screen. On the left-hand side, the panel will render with 10 recent cases that you have submitted. By clicking the red icon View, you will see the read-only details of a given case. If you submitted more than 10 cases, you will find the remaining cases on subsequent pages. You have the option to filter and sort by any column. Sorting and filtering options will make it easy to find the case you are looking for. On the right-hand side, you have the My Work panel. It will show you three sets of cases grouped by ID types. ID starting with S number are recent cases you saved but have not submitted yet. ID starting with B number are cases that you submitted, however, were sent back to you by the lease admin team for further clarification. They have pending originator review status. A separate email notification is sent out once the case is queried by the lease administration team, so there is no need for you to constantly check the My Work section. The email will also contain a hyperlink into Pega for ease of action. In order to address a B case, click on it, read the issue raised by the lease administration team, provide your answer in the issue resolution comment field, and upload a document if applicable. Then please click Submit to return the answer and case to the lease administration team. Let's hit Close to Dashboard again. The case now should appear on the main dashboard with the Pending Originator Reviewed status. The lease administration team was notified and they will proceed with the case. For IDs starting with task, these are reports or billings that are awaiting your approval. Depending on your role in organization, you might be asked to approve the reports or billings in Pega Portal once you receive an email. By clicking on the appropriate button, you have a possibility to approve or reject the report or billing. Reassigning cases. For both B cases and tasks, users will have the option to reassign the case. This functionality can be used when a user may be out of office and cannot approve a task, or if another user has the necessary documentation needed to update a case that is pending originator review. Before exploring My Work, hit Refresh to ensure that Pega is reflecting the most recent status. Tracking. The main dashboard current status column will provide transparency of all cases and the status they are currently sitting in real time. You will also be provided with the list of possible case statuses and their description, as well as a flowchart so that you will be able to identify what stage the case is in and what are the possible subsequent statuses. Please note that a legal document flow and other request flow have a slightly different status naming convention. Show all cases. This button will allow you to see all the cases submitted by other users. With one click, you can render all such cases on the main dashboard. You can easily turn off Show All Cases button and get back to the view of the cases only submitted from your end. Document Tracker. If you would like to run a report and see all submitted cases, please click on the Document Tracker button on the right-hand side. You will see a detailed report that you can download in Excel format as well. Please be aware that the Show All Cases and the Document Tracker functionality is an additional feature that requires special access. This is dependent on your role in the organization and internal structure. Please contact your client manager to request special access and receive further details. Password reset functionality. If you are unable to log in or have forgotten your password, from the login screen, please select Trouble Logging In. Once prompted, add in your user ID and select Reset Password. This will send an automated email to you that will prompt you to reset your password and log back into the system. We hope that you will enjoy document and request submissions and report approval via portal, and that you'll find it helpful, especially with the new and improved layout containing simple navigation. Should you have any questions or feedback in regards to the tool, we do encourage you to raise them with your primary lease administration point of contact, who will provide further guidance and support. Thank you for your time and attention.